All right, babe, what are we doing? Give me play-by-play.
We are making s'mores.
And this is the proper way of doing a s'more. So you want to char it, get on the flame. Turn it.
Slowly turn it.
Because you want the inside to be gooey.
And the outside to be crispy.
And the outside to be crispy, that's right. You also gotta do it with a jazz band in the background. It's the Punisher! No! The Punisher! That's in the video.
We were sitting with him at the...
Alright, get on the flame. Let it burn a little bit. So this is our third s'more attempt here. There you go. Bring it around. Turn it. More. Right there. Keep going. Up. Leave it right there for a second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blow it out. Okay. That was beautiful. Good job, babe. And this is the lovely baby girl Jasmine right here. Y'all motherfuckers better not try to DM her. I'll fucking shank you motherfuckers. Get shanked. All you motherfuckers get shanked. Alright, so now the trick, so your fingers don't get all messy, because it could be real messy, is you put one graham cracker, then you put the chocolate on top of the I'm gonna grab the chocolate right now. Put the chocolate on top. And then I'm gonna grab the other graham cracker. I'm trying to do this everything with holding the phone here. Put that on top. And then now you put a little squeeze to it. And you twist it out. Bam. And there you have it. A perfect fucking s'more. Fuck it up. Bam, like that. Perfect treat for the family. Go ahead and comment below if there's anything else that you want us to try. We're open to any ideas. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. And